Well, even with like global chip shortages, it's probably gonna like a lot of cars just can't even be manufactured at the moment because there's such a limitation in chip shortages. So maybe there'll be more of a reliance moving back to those mechanical processes. I don't know, to have that availability.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because like even thinking like if you need a these days, as you're saying, if you need to design a glass, you include a chip in the bottom to do something. But if it can be done without the digital process or the electronic process, maybe we need to resort back to that and make it in a more mechanical way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, totally. Yeah, and it's I often see that with MVP stuff, right? When we're working with entrepreneur clients, I go straight to level 4, and
Yeah.
it's Wi-Fi enabled, supporting app, which is fine, and happy to work in those projects. But in reality, if it is a new to market or new to world product, we can actually probably prove its value to at least 50 to 75% surety by just running a Gen 1 mechanical version
Hmm.
or even a hybrid, right? An electromechanical. It doesn't have to be a full software enabled version at Gen 1. And in terms of industrial design, in terms of product development costs, the R&D and the hardware is never usually the most expensive when it comes to a level 4 IoT device, right?
Yeah.
So it's always software and firmware is the really expensive part of the play. So just from a business strategy perspective, if you can get it into market and get it valuable and meaningful to customers where they're going to drive a business off it, and it hasn't had that level of IoT enablement, then it's actually a sensible way to go.